Hello, champions. Welcome to Apple Counting Fun Time. Get ready to learn counting numbers from 1 to 10. Watch shiny apples rolling across the sparkling floor. Tap each apple, count out loud, and learn your numbers in a fun and easy way. Let's start. 1 apple, 2 apples. Keep going. One red apple on the floor. It rolls. It rolls right to the door. Roll, roll, roll goes the sound. That little apple spins around. Oh, friends, let us count the apple again.
1
apple. 2 red apples side by side. They spin and slide. They slip and glide. Wait, they giggle, full of cheer. They love to play when friends are near. 1, 2 red apples. Oh, friends, let us count the apple again. 1, 2 apples. 3 red apples jump so high. They bounce up almost to the sky. Boing, boing, up they go. Then back down nice and slow. Oh, friends, let us count the apple again. 1, 2 3 apples. 4 red apples dance in a ring. They spin and tap and even sing. Tap, tap, tap goes each red one. Dancing apples are having fun. 1, 2 3 4. 4 red apples. Oh, friends, let us count the apple again. 1, 2 3 4 apples. 5 red apples start to race. They roll so fast, what a chase! Zoom! Zoom! Around they go, spinning fast and never slow. Oh, friends, let us count the apple again. 1, 2 3 4 5 apples. 6 red apples spin like tops. They twirl and twirl, they never stop. Swish, swish, they twist and turn, showing off each spinning learn. Friends, let us count the apple again. 1, 2 3 4 5 6 apples. 7 red apples laugh out loud. They're silly, giggly, bouncy, and proud. Ha ha, ha, they shout with glee. What a happy apple family. Oh, friends, let us count the apple again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 apples. 8 red apples march in line. Left and right they look so fine. Step, step, step goes their beat. Marching apples with happy feet. Oh, friends, let us count the apple again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 apples. with joy, like a bouncy ball or a springy toy. Boing, boing, they hop then spin, with the biggest apple grin. Friends, let us count the apple again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Apples. 10, red apples shout. Hooray! We've had such a lovely day. They all cheer and do a flip, then take a nice red apple sip. Friends, let us count the apple again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 apples. Great job, little champions. You counted all the apples from 1 to 10. Amazing! Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a number expert. Want to count again or try something new? Tap play again to start over. Or tap next to explore more fun games on Start Learning ABC channel. Keep learning, keep smiling. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more counting, games, and giggles. Tap the subscribe button and never miss a video. See you next time, little Apple Star. Bye.